In the world of luxury watches, every detail counts. And this is where our mission begins. Trotec Laser is your partner for high-precision laser processing in the watch industry. Our Galvo systems set new standards in flexibility and quality. Whether it's the finest engravings, complex structures, individual serial numbers, or logos, our systems deliver razor-sharp results, accurately repeatable, contactless, durable, and since no two watch manufacturers are the same, we offer customized solutions. From software integration to automation. Precisely tailored to your production processes. But what do customers say about Trotec Laser?
My name is Michelle Hofer. The watch industry has always operated and continues to operate in a very traditional manner.
Why use laser processing?
The laser simply offers more possibilities than we would otherwise be able to achieve using traditional methods.
And why was Trotec chosen?
Trotec is a reliable partner. If you're looking for a solution in the watch industry, Trotec is a good choice for the laser sector.
Our laser technology combines the highest precision with maximum efficiency. For a partnership in precision, for the watches of tomorrow.
For more information on integration, technical details, and more, visit our website or contact us.